I have brought this from Amazon. Packing came like this. Okay, here is the package. Looks like. This is 20-watt adapter, and MRP of this package is 1900, and in the sales I have brought it at 1699. It is coming with plastic. Let's open it. There is a brick and documentation. Lot of documentation is there. No Apple sticker in it. Lot of paperwork. And of course, this product comes with 1 year warranty. So recently I purchased a Apple 13, so they are not providing any charger inside of it, so I have to brought it original one, so I have taken this one. This is not type A, this is type C one. In that mobile box you will get type C to lightning port, because Apple up to 14 series they have given only lightning. Presently they are providing type C for the mobile phone also. Look at this, it is shining right. Beautiful. They have mentioned 20-watt directly. If you want, you can buy the boat one also, but I preferred the original product of Apple. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.